Norm Rosen from RV Lifestyle Magazine. I'm at Ruston RV Center with Rob Sneed. And Rob, you're the second generation dealer at this dealership. Your dad, Don, that we saw a few minutes ago, was our Canadian RV Dealer of the Year back in, I think it was 1992-ish.
Yeah.
This is a dealership that has been in the same location for over 40 years.
Yeah, we've been in business 51 years and at this location since 1979. At this location.
Yeah. Isn't that amazing? And I've been coming and visiting you since 1971. Well, not you.
No,
you were
but
just
my father,
guy, but your dad. You're an RV Care dealer.
Yes.
RV Care is a group of Canadian dealers stretching across the entire country. There's some tremendous advantages for people shopping at RV Care dealerships. The relationships that you have not only with your own RV Care dealers in Canada, but also the network in the United States.
Priority RV.
Priority RV
is our affiliate in the United States.
Yes. Now that essentially means that when you need, if you need, and well, everybody needs a little help every now and then. If you need service, or if you have a concern, or if you want to get a deal on parts and accessories, you can essentially go to any RV Care dealer or Priority RV dealer in the States. That gives you a network of over 100.
Yeah, we're including the Priority network. I think we're upwards of 170 dealers.
170 dealers.
Yes.
Across North America.
Across North America, and it's one of the concerns we have customers when they come in shopping, especially new buyers that haven't been in the industry before. They often talk about warranty. What's the warranty coverage, this, that, and the other. And what they don't realize when you're traveling in the high season, in the heat of the season, often many of the RV dealerships are taxed, very busy, shops are overflowing, they have so much work going on, and we've heard horror stories, not many, but we have heard where people are turned away when they need to get fixed.
Well, they get to the bottom of the priority list instead of the top.
That's it. So when you're traveling as an RV Care customer member, when you buy an RV, it's free with your purchase. Mm-hmm. Free's good.
Free is my favorite price tag.
And it's lifetime. As long as you own that RV, you have the membership. And if you go into one of these dealers while you're traveling with holiday ending service, they are going to make the pledge when they become an RV Care dealer to take care of you on a priority. And we actually have a protocol written for this. And what it does, it gives people that peace of mind when they're traveling that they can get help on a priority basis. We've even had instances here at our dealership where we've had people come in broken down and we get them turned around same day, within 24 hours, as fast as we possibly can. And one of the nice things as well is if you're in your warranty period, the dealer will work with your selling dealer to process that warranty, so you don't even have to worry about that aspect of it. But it gives owners a tremendous peace of mind while traveling that they can get help.
Oh yeah, and realistically with that number of dealerships affiliated across North America, you'd have to go very far off the beaten path to be out of range of one of the dealers who will take care of you as a courtesy to the RV Care system.
Yeah, we're trying to make sure we're in every major metropolitan area in Canada. And we've even had instances, and I can think of a few top of mind, where people have had issues in a campground. We'll work with a local park service to get you fixed up as fast as we possibly can, because we all know how hard everyone works to get holidays.
Oh, absolutely.
And if you're on a 3, 4, 5, 7 day holiday, being down for a couple days is a big deal.
And actually, the most valuable thing that any of us have is time.
That's right.
And you don't want to lose time because, you know, you've dealt with a dealer that's independent and on his own. And
there's been many instances now with the RV Care network where people have utilized it and been very happy with it. We hear great stories from people. Now, the fact that they're broken down isn't the best thing in the world, but the fact that we're out there and we're helping people with this network is a great peace of mind for owners of RVs. And as you mentioned on top of it, that was how we started. way back. I'm going to guess it's about 15 to 18 years ago. I don't have the number.
Oh, on the
top
beginning
of
of
mind,
the
when we
beginning of
started RV Care.
Yeah, it's about that.
It was a safe haven. But since then, we've grown, and the products and services that we offer are still growing on a monthly basis. We're adding programs. We're working hard to buy containerfuls of parts so that we can be super competitive with the Amazons of the world, so you can grab it and go in our store.
Oh, Amazon. Why would people deal with Amazon?
No, they don't want to. They want to come in here, get the expertise.
There's nobody to talk to if you have a problem.
We're price competitive with them.
Yeah.
You can grab it and go. You don't have to order it. All the technical questions can be answered in our stores. If you have an issue with it, you can come back and deal with us. But we find by using the dealer network for buying power that we're super competitive with any competitor out there in the market or on the web.
And not only that, you've got the service people who are experts for installation of any of these parts and accessories. When you're paying good money for an appliance or something that can be installed on the RV, why would you not, save your time, make sure that it's installed properly, it has a proper warranty, you're not voiding any warranty by connecting the wrong wires by yourself. You don't want to be doing that. You don't want the RV do-it-yourselfer unless they're qualified. You absolutely do not want them touching anything to do with LP gas. You probably don't want them touching anything to do with electricity. And unless they want to incur the wrath of their boss, the wife and the daughters, you probably don't want them messing around with their plumbing system either.
No.
So that doesn't leave a lot of area for somebody buying something off the internet and trying to install it for themselves. Why would they do this?
And that's really another aspect of it, the training aspect of it. You talk about our brand of parts, RV Traveler's Choice, which I endorse. I use the parts. They're the best value in the marketplace now. You can save a lot of money buying that brand, RV Traveler's Choice. But we use our dealer network, and we often have 100 plus techs or parts people on a webinar learning about how to properly install the parts, trading trade secrets. Let's face it, some of the best training comes from within the four walls of the shop. And
absolutely.
We've got tech swapping stories on how they fix stuff, and that in itself has been a huge asset in being an RV Care dealer. And
the RV Care dealers, well, even our list in this 30th anniversary year of the RV Dealer of the Year award that we are proud to have sponsored since day one, a lot of our RV Dealers of the Year are RV Care dealers.
Yeah, it's a high percentage, isn't it?
And you're talking about the RV Dealers of the Year tend to be, they absolutely are. They have been voted by their peers to be the most respected, the most credible, and the most reliable dealers in the country, who have earned the respect of their fellow dealers. When you have a whole bunch of these Canadian RV Dealer of the Year winners in the RV Care system, it says a lot for the RV Care system.
Yeah, it's really making the whole industry a better place as a whole, from trade practice to customer service to customer experience.
Absolutely.
To peace of mind for our consumers while they're traveling. It just it's pretty exciting to be a part of it, because it didn't exist.
No.
When you go back that 15, 18 years, and now it's gaining momentum, and we're seeing some really successful stories coming from the field with our customers out there.
See, now with the RV Care dealers and with the RV Dealers Association member dealers across the country, and well, here in Ontario, the Ontario RVDA members, these are people who adhere to a standard of morals and ethics. You're not going to get fleeced on your financing. You are not going to get subservice sales or service personnel. You are not going to get a fast sell, just pick their pockets approach. You're going to be treated essentially like extended family.